So today we'll be looking at expanding binomial products. So what is a binomial product? Let's start off with the word binomial. That just means an expression with two terms. So if you look at this expression right here, x plus 3, that is a binomial because it has x and 3, so two terms. X plus 5 is a binomial because it has x and this 5 right here, two terms as well. And products just means we're going to be timesing them. So this is saying we're going to be multiplying x plus 3 with x plus 5. And we're going to be expanding it, which essentially means to like get rid of the brackets. Not really, but like you'll get the idea. So let's expand this. So to expand this, it's fairly straightforward. So with the first term here, x, you want to times it with the x and then the 5 after. Okay, so x times x, that should be x squared. And the x times 5, that should give you plus 5x. Okay, and then what you want to do next, right, is you want to multiply the second number, so this 3, with this x and this 5. So plus 3 times x, that gives you plus 3x. And plus 3 times plus 5, that gives you plus 15. I was going to write equals here. Okay? And so it's fairly straightforward what you should do here. You just need to collect the like terms. So there's no like terms with x squared, so that just becomes x squared. 5x plus 3x, that becomes 8x. And then we have plus 15 by itself. Oh. And yeah, that's it. I'll be going through. Feel free to skip this video if that makes sense. For the rest of the video, I'll just be going through more examples. Alright, so here we have x minus 4 times x plus 7. Same procedure as before. You want to do x times the first one, and then x times the second one. So x times x, that should give you x squared. X times plus 7, that should give you plus 7x. Now we can get from here, this minus 4, you times it with this x again, and times it with the 7. So minus 4 times x, that gives you minus 4x. Minus 4 times plus 7, that gives you minus 28. Okay? And then same thing, you collect the like terms. X squared has no like terms. 7x is like terms with minus 4x. So if you do plus 7x minus 4x, that gives you plus 3x. And then minus 28 by itself. Whoops. Done. Alright, so we have 2x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 6. So let's expand this. Same thing, this times this, and this times this. So 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. 2x times minus 6, that gives you minus 12x. And then this minus 1 times x, this minus 1 times minus 6. Minus 1 times x minus x. Minus 1 times minus 6, that's plus 6. And then collect like terms like you did before. 2x squared is by itself. Minus 12x minus x minus 13x. And we get plus 6 by itself. Alright, so yeah, same thing. This times this, this times this, this times this, and this times this. Okay? So we have 5x times 3x. That should give you 15x squared. Right? 5x times plus 7, that should give you plus 35x. Minus 2 times 3x, that should give you minus 6x. And final one, minus 2 plus 7, minus 14. And the final step, just collect like terms. So 15x squared is by itself. 35x minus 6x, I think that's 29x. And minus 14 by itself. And yeah, that's it for expanding binomial products.